This is a question about transformation in a rectangular coordinate plane. P is rotated anti-clockwise about the origin through 90 degrees to P'. Q' is the reflection image of Q with respect to the y-axis. In part A, we need to find the coordinates of P' and Q'. For this type of questions, besides applying the formula directly, we can take advantage of the figure to help us find the coordinates. For P', we can imagine that the green rectangle falls down from its upright position. The dimensions of the rectangle won't change. The length of the long side will still be 5 and the length of the short side will still be 2. However, note that P' is in quadrant 2. The x-coordinate of P' should be negative. So the coordinates of P' are -5, 2. 1 mark for the correct answer. Q' is the image of the Q is reflected in the y-axis. It has the same y-coordinates Q, -4. The distance between Q and the y-axis is the same as distance between Q' and the y-axis, that is 4. As a result, the coordinates of Q' are 4, -4. 1 mark for the correct answer. For part B, we need to find if PQ is perpendicular to P'Q'. If the product of the slopes of two straight lines is equal to -1, the two straight lines are perpendicular to each other. We need to find the slopes of PQ and P'Q' first. Since the coordinates of P, Q, P' and Q' are known, it's easy to find the slope by the slope formula. 1 mark will be given for finding the slope of either of the two straight lines. Multiplying the two slopes gives the results of -1. So the two lines are perpendicular to each other. The final mark will be given for the correct conclusion with reasons. In this MC question tutor, the question concerns the orthocenter of a triangle. More importantly, a figure is not provided. It's advised to sketch the figure based on the given information first. We have the points O, A, and B, and we can draw the triangle OAB. Recall that the definition of an orthocenter is the intersection point of the three altitudes of the triangle. Let G be the orthocenter of triangle OAB. From the figure, OA is on the x-axis. The x-coordinate of G will be 18. Let the y-coordinate of G be A. As G is the orthocenter, OG and AB should be perpendicular to each other. That means the product of the slopes is equal to -1. We have the coordinates of O, A, and B, as well as G with an unknown y-coordinate. We can set up an equation as follows. Solving the equation A, that is the y-coordinate G, is found to be 3. So the answer is A.